What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a video on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. I'm gonna change the rack and pinion and see what's going on with this coolant leak right here. So I'm gonna get back to you once I get the truck jacked up and start taking it apart. Alright, now YouTube, so now what I gotta do is get this screw off, and then I can finish taking these 3 bolts out, and the whole thing should come out. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. Alright, turn it. Right there. Turn it the other way, right there, perfect. Alright, so we got the old one out, and here's a new used one that we got from a junkyard in Homestead, Miami. It already has the tie rods and the inner tie rods on it. I'm gonna try to get it in as one piece, so that way I don't have to disturb anything and make the job a little bit quicker. Alright, so I'll cut you guys back on as soon as I get this put out with some screws, because I'm running out of battery. I'm gonna put put the GoPro on the charger, and I'll get back. And yeah. Alright, so I'm finished with the rack and pinion installation, and we tested out already, and it's good. We got power steering again, and now I'm gonna check and see what's wrong with this coolant leak that developed over time. And from what I see, it's coming from right here, this hose, but I'm not sure if it's the reservoir that's leaking, because you see I reached down here and it's way back here, so I have a feeling it might be the reservoir. But I'm gonna take this air cleaner out the way of this box and unscrew the reservoir and look underneath, see if I see anything. If anything, I gotta clean it and dry it up and see if there's a crack, or maybe it's just a hose issue. This hose was leaking, but I cut it and scooted up a little bit. There was enough slack for it, but you can see maybe it failed, or something else is leaking on this truck. So I'll cut you guys back on as soon as I get this apart and see what I find. All right. So I think I found the problem. The problem here is the reservoir. It's leaking from right there. You see that bubbling? You have to go to the auto parts store and see if they have them in stock, or go to Chevy and see how much it is. If not, I can probably order it and epoxy it for now. So I'm gonna have them turn off the engine. So that's the leak right there. Maybe I can get some epoxy if it's gonna take a while to get this reservoir, something to slow it down, because he does need it, and this is his only car. So I'll cut you guys back on once I go get some information and see if I can get this part today. All right, peace. Alright, so I'm back from O'Reilly's, and I got this reservoir's dormant part. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one that's leaking. So I'll cut you guys back on and put you on time lapse. Alright, so that's it for this repair on this truck, rack and pinion and coolant reservoir. So stay tuned for more videos at Exit 36 builds on my channel, and like, share, and subscribe so my channel can grow and you guys can see more future videos like this. Alright, thanks man.